Hi guys, welcome to TechViewHub. In this video tutorial we are going to see how we can implement MediaPlayer with seekBar. For this, first we are moving the image button below. And creating the seekBar. Layout width as match parent. Layout height as wrap content. Adding ID to the seekBar. And placing the seekBar above the image button. Next we are moving to main activity.java. Here we are declaring the timer. And then declaring the seekBar. Next we are adding find view by ID to the seekBar. Next we are setting the max of seekBar as MediaPlayer's duration. Next we are setting on seekBar change listener to the seekBar. So inside public void on progress changed method, we are adding if statement. If boolean b, inside the if statement, MediaPlayer dot seek to int I. I is the progress of the seekBar. Next we are initializing the timer. Initializing the timer task. Inside the run method, we are adding seekBar.set progress to MediaPlayer's current position. So we are getting the current position of the MediaPlayer and setting it as the progress of the seekBar. Next we are scheduling the timer. Timer dot schedule at fixed rate, timer task, delay is 0 and the period is 1 second. Now we are running the app. If we click on the play button, the music is playing. Clicking on plus, the music is plused and the seekBar is moving. If we click on the center of the seekBar, the music is playing from that place. Closing it. So MediaPlayer implementation with seekBar is executed successfully. Thanks for watching the video.